Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use trim tools on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application. Okay, hold on. And this is the look when you already open the Capcut application, and now you can just do a new project if you have no project yet to trim. But if you already have it and you wait to find this tutorial, you just need to open your project. And here I already have the project on my phone, on my screen. You can see here I already have a video with 20 seconds length, so I feel that this video is quite long. The things that we have to do is just go trim it, make it short. How to make it short? You just need to go click the clip until it is in active mode, and you can see here there is a split button here, so you can decide which position or which seconds that you want to stop these videos to. For example, I want to make it only 4 seconds here, so you just need to scroll the clip so that this straight line is in a correct point of your want or your need. And after that, you just need to click split, and after you split it, you able to delete the rest of the clip. Click the delete, and now you already have a 4-second or shorter video or shorter clip compared to the previously. Okay, that's the first way, and there will be also another way, which is you need to click the clip again, and you can see there is there is end point and start point of the clip. You can also drag the end point into the inner side to trim the video and decide which spots that you want to stop. Okay, I want to stop in 3 seconds. That's also the other way to trim the clip. Let's have a check. Okay, and that's all. That's today's tutorial, guys. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.